Uh-oh, part two of the bird fight. Part two, they getting it in, look at them. They getting it in out here. They getting it in, part two, there they go. There they go, they getting it in. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Yeah. Y'all see it, part two? Oh, they getting it in. Oh, they beat the beat down. Uh-oh, get him. Yeah, chicken fight. Oh, I got $2. I got $2 on the one with the green. I got $2. I got $2, bro. I got $2, bro. He might fly at me. I got $2.
I think somebody got somebody's feet. Look at
somebody got somebody.
Look at their feet.
Nigga, I ain't let him go. They trying to get that poo-poo one.
They beefing. They talking shit.
They beefing.
Fuck up off me.
Yeah.
Off me, nigga.
Yeah.
What's my bread this morning?
Travel LA. Let's get him. I got $20 on the one on the ground. I got $20 on him.
You got $20?
Told you. Look at him. I got $20 on him. I got $20.
Crazy.
They fighting. They get it in. I can't win with them. This part two though, y'all. This part two to fight. Here you go. Get him. He trying to get away. Long as they don't fly this way.
Yeah. They got each other clawed and everything.
They got their claw. Yeah, they got him. Part two. They getting it in. Part two.
Watching this girl, man.
Hey, part two. This gonna cost y'all. Part two. Oh, they got away. They finally got away. They don't know what to do now. Let's go. They going in the hole. Y'all see him?
I told you to
Y'all see him? They got the girl. You see him? They up there. I told y'all. Look. They in the hole. They fighting over the girl, so that's what it was about. Okay, the whole time they was fighting over the girl. Now he sitting out there, and he in the house with the girl. LA, I'm out. All I see production. You know what I'm saying? Travel LA, Heaven in the Hoods. You know what I'm saying? We out, man. Oh, the fight is over. It's done.
It's always over.
It's over. Always over abroad.